going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, if this is your first time, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. Today, y'all, we are cooking that spaghetti Alfredo that's going viral on TikTok, honey. Let's get into it because it is so delicious, full of flavor, and I just cannot get enough of it. In the pan, we already have our hamburger, we have our sausage and onions chopped. Now we're going in with some garlic and some paprika, and we are gonna make sure we cover the full top of our meat so it is full of flavor. Here comes some onion powder, then some cumin, and our creole seasoning. Let's not forget about that Italian seasoning. And then we're going in with our tomato sauce, or I should say spaghetti sauce, and we're just gonna incorporate that very well. We're gonna put our minced garlic at the very last, and we are gonna let that sit and simmer on low. And then we're jumping into making our spaghetti noodles. I found these really cute, thin, already ready to boil pasta. It's so cute, it's so delicious. I've never seen those before. But now we're jumping into making our Alfredo sauce. We got our onions and butter and our garlic, and it's getting translucent to put in the heavy whipping cream and some mozzarella cheese. We're stirring that up, and boom, baby. If you want to know what seasonings I put in the Alfredo, I do have another video posted of how I make my Alfredo. It's the exact same way. Then we're putting it into our dish, and we are going to put our hamburger meat on top. And you're just going to cover all of those noodles. Just like lasagna, y'all. Just like lasagna. In goes some Parmesan cheese, then we got our Mozzarella cheese, and then we got our Colby cheese mix. Y'all can use whatever cheese comes to your heart, whatever you desire. I'm also added some more Italian seasoning on top. In the oven it goes. I will leave that in the oven at 375 for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's golden brown, beautiful, ooey gooey, juicy, just like this one. Ooh. Let's look. Delicious. Ooey gooey, ready to eat. That's it, y'all. It was that simple. It is so delicious. It's viral for a reason. That's our final product. Thank you so much for coming to my channel for another recipe. If you enjoy, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that like button, share with family and friends. And until next time, y'all. Bye.